Welcome to All Time Free Tutor. Today we'll learn how to use the Microsoft Excel app. First, you must have to sign in because it is very important. Otherwise, you cannot save any files. All the files will be remain in read-only file. You cannot edit any file and you cannot save. So, if you sign in, it is not a problem. So first, here you may see this recent section is completely empty because I have not opened anything. Okay, if you are there, you may have recent files, but what you have to do to open the latest download file, you have to click on the open. Okay, next, this device. Next, your file may be downloaded at the download section. Normally it says at the download, so you have to click on the download. Okay, here you can see I have downloaded few files, so that's why few files are there. Maybe in your case one file will be there. But if you download in any other section, then you have to find out from the storage section. And you have to open the respective folder and open the file. Okay, just nothing more than that. So I am opening the file. Okay, at first home page. Okay, when you open in the Excel, you will see at the top two warning is there. Okay, so just close them. If you want to access our channel, YouTube channel, you can open from here. If you click on here and if you click on the open link, okay, if you select YouTube, then our channel will be easily accessible. You don't need to search or anything new. Okay, and next, this is called sheet icon at the bottom left bottom corner. Okay, this is the sheet icon. Okay, if you click, all the sheet will be invisible, and now all the sheet will be visible. Okay, every sheet for different functions. Okay, you can see the names. Okay, they are for different functions, different purpose. Okay, and every sheet has, you have to, if you want to use any specific function, you have to open a specific sheet. Okay, here is the update sheet. Okay, here you will see list of contents, just like in your book syllabus, book content. Everything is showing here. Okay, this is for the mathematics section, and at the down, this is for the English grammar section. Okay, and here you will see few things are showing available and few things are mentioning that coming soon. That means these facilities will be available very soon, but these facilities will be available soon. And here these things are hyperlinked. So if you click on this, that means addition. If you select on the addition, okay, just you can go to the addition function directly. In addition is available in the operations sheet. Okay, and now you will see three types of color here. One is yellow color, another one is orange color, others are common. Here you can, yellow color means you can change the number, they are settings. their settings, you can change this number. Okay, so number of digits has been changed to 5, so all the numbers will become of 5 digit. Here it is for how many numbers. So if you want to calculate for 3 numbers, then it will become of 3 numbers. Infinite problem will come and solve, and thereafter go downwards and check whether answer is correct or not. If it is correct, very good. If it is not correct, it will mention where is your, how you have made the incorrection, why it is have been wrong. Okay, it is mentioned very easily. So if you want to change the sheet, just you have to click on the sheet icon, and okay, there is available for the multiplication table, very important for the kids. LCM, HCF, you can calculate, correct your mistakes in LCM, HCF. Prime number, okay, one of the very difficult tasks. Fraction operations, decimal operations, दशमलव संख्या का decimal point numbers operations you can do here. Fractional operations, any kinds of fractional numbers you can operate here. Percentage calculates here. In this way you have to change your sheet and open the respective function. Okay, just you cannot change any other colors. Look at this white color. If you want to edit, it cannot be done. So that you, if little kids who does not know anything, cannot damage the original file. This is yellow color, that means you can change this number. What is this function? This function is called repetitive decimal. So these are the different functions. And here I forgot one thing. This is orange color. Orange color means, look at here, you have to spell this number in English. And if you want to change this number, how can you change this number? Select on this orange cell and then press the clear. Number will be changed automatically. Once again, select the orange cell, select the orange cell, then circle and then clear. The number change automatically. Okay. So in this way infinite problems will come. And blue color is your answer. Blue color is the answer. It is very easy to correct your problems. You don't need to wait for your teacher, parents, brothers, sisters. Okay, where is you find the mistake? How it is mistake has been happened like this? You can do it yourself. Thank you.